Hello everybody, my name is Victor Korf and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to solve the Rubik's Cube in 10 minutes. So if you're a complete beginner and you want to learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube, today I'm gonna be teaching you how to do it in just 10 minutes. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing is to solve the white cross. In this case we got lucky and we have two already done, but if we didn't have them, we would just fix them. So now the first thing I notice is this white and red piece. It should be here, but it's not. So let's figure out how to actually remove it from here and insert it on top. So the first thing you have to do is remove it from here, but you don't remove it that way because you won't be able to connect them later. So you remove it this way with the red facing you, and you move it out of your way so you can go back and don't mess up these that are already done. So now that you are ready, you just connect it with the red piece and you insert it on top, and you are ready. Now here we have the white and green. It's basically the same because it's kind of swapped, so we have to swap their places once again, and you just don't go all the way down because you won't be able to connect them. It will be the same. So go just once, rotate it just once. It's kind of in the middle right now, and now you rotate this piece. You don't go all the way down. So if it doesn't matter if you go this way and just remove it out of the way, go back, and you don't mess up anything else here. And now you are able to connect them and put it on top, and you have your white cross. And the second thing you have to do is the first layer, these corner pieces. So you find the one that you need. For example, here the first thing I notice is this white orange, and green piece. You put it underneath the place where it should be. So here is the green, here is the orange, here is the white, and here it is underneath, right underneath. And you don't go the white side facing you, but the other way. You just go down, so now it's this way. You insert it and you go back, and now it's in its place. The same goes for these that are just not in the correct places. So you get them down, but not that way because the white will be facing the bottom side, but this way, so you don't mess it. And it's like a normal way to do it. And now, since it's correct, you put it underneath the place it should be, and you just insert it with not the white facing you, but the other way. So you go down and you insert it in its place, and we have helped ourselves. So this should be now here. You put it underneath and you go down, you insert it up, it's in its place. And now if it was like that, I didn't show that, so you put it underneath its place, but you have to do more things now. So go down and you rotate it twice so it's out of the way of the layer you're rotating, and now you go up. Now it's in the correct way. You put it one more time underneath and you go down, insert it, and you go up, and you are ready with the first layer. So the second layer is maybe the easiest part because you have to do the same thing over and over again, and it's just the same. So it's a repetitive action. You find the piece that you want to insert. For example, here is the blue, here is the orange, blue, orange. And because we are looking this time what is facing the bottom side, here is the orange one, yellow is the bottom side, so orange is on bottom. You put it so it's on the opposite side of the orange one. So here is orange one again, once again, so it's on the opposite side. And because blue is the other piece, we go to the blue side, so we're holding it this way. And here is the orange one, so we go down like that. And now when we go back, they're connected, and you just insert them. So you go the other way like that, go down, you insert it, go back, and now it's in its place. The same goes for the red and green now, because green is the one that's on the bottom. You find the green side and you put it on the opposite way. You go to the red center, so because this is the other side, here is the red. Go down, go left, so now it's connected the red side and up, so they're connected also. And now you just insert them, so you do that and you insert them. And now it's the same for this and this. This is not in its place, it's like swapped, so we have to remove it. To remove it, we use the same formula, but without actually thinking of a side that we should face. So it doesn't matter if this we're holding it like that or like that. You can choose. So I choose like that, go down, I remove it, go up, and now I insert this one more time, that, and I insert it. And here is the orange and green. Now green on the opposite side of the green centerpiece, you go down, right, so it connects, go up, they are connected, and you insert them like so. And we have this left, so we just go red, blue, down, connect them and insert them. It's the same, so we are ready with the second layer. Now to solve the cross, there is this really simple technique where you put actually the yellow on top. So you just rotate the cube and you do this. You go F, so the front, F, and then you go R, U, R prime, U prime. And when you go back, you have this strange 90-degree angle thing that you have to put like that, not so, no, just like that. And after that, you repeat the same algorithm: F, R, U, R prime, U prime. And if you go back, you will have this line. So this is the third case. If you have it, you don't put it like that, but only this way, and you do the algorithm F, R, U, R prime, U prime, and you can go back and you have it. Now the next thing is to put these centerpieces here on their place. So this is the blue and the orange, they're already connected, you have to find them, but these ones are like swapped, so we have to find a way to swap them. Now we must have this one soft side on our left, so we don't hold it like that, because we have the soft in front of us, like that. And after that, go like down 2 times, up, here it is, one more time, and you insert it. And what you have done, you actually swapped them, so now when you find their places, they are correct. If you didn't have anything, you just do this algorithm twice. And the last thing is to put these on their places and rotate them. We have to find one that it is on its place. For example, this one, you see, it's not like the right way, but it is on its place. That's important. So again, we put it on our left and we do this algorithm: down, take it out, the other one down, we swap their places, you go up and you go back and on top. And when you go back, you have put them on their places. See, if you didn't have anything, you just do the algorithm, but you choose the side that you are facing. And now the last thing is to actually rotate these corner pieces so that they're orientated in a correct way, like this one and this one. If you don't have anything done, it doesn't matter, we choose the side that it is facing us, but in this case we just hold it in our left hand, the one that is done. So this one is done, this one is not, and we do this: down 2 times, up 1 time, and we insert it. And then we don't rotate the cube because we're gonna mess up, so we go the other way, the opposite way: down 2 times, back, we put it on the side so it's ready to be inserted, and we insert it and go on top. And in that way we have solved the cube. Last situation that you can have is the ones that are on the opposite side. They are messed up, but they're on the opposite side, they're not next to each other. So in that case, you again find a side that is ready. So like this is ready and this is ready, so we have the option to choose. I choose this one just because I want, and I put the one that is already done in my left hand. like so, not like that because we'll mess up this one. So like that, because we have to operate with that. And you go down 2 times, up, you put it on the side and you insert it, and then you do the same thing on the opposite side. 2 times, up, one more time, and you insert it. And this will lead to that situation which I already showed you how to deal with.
And you go down 2 times, up 1 time, to insert it, and then the other way, and you are done with the Rubik's Cube.
That's it, guys. 10 minutes, we learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I really hope this tutorial was helpful, and make sure to like, subscribe and share. Bye!